time to get to work. Everything's ripe and ready.
Let's gather the whole harvest. No grain left behind.
Let's start with tomatoes.
Tomato. The tomatoes are perfectly ripe this year.
Now the pumpkins.
Pumpkin. I'll take them.
And one last thing, strawberries.
Strawberry. Great job.
We have a lot of things to do today.
Of course, we can do it easily. It's time to build a foundation.
Good, I'm pouring the cement. Well, let's start our construction. To do this, I took all the necessary materials. Wow, I've been assembled! I'm ready to hit the road for work! The final touch is left. Let's go! I'm done! Today is a tough day. Here we go.
Welcome to construction. Oh, you dump trucks are here. Let's go.
Here we are.
Alright, we're here. Let's go to work.
Almost done.
Let's get some more on this side.
Alright, we're done.
It's time to make a river here. Great job, guys! Almost done. Dump truck, unload.
The most interesting part. Unloading.
I can't delay. We must hurry. Whoa! Dump truck, stop! There's a school bus.
Almost unloaded.
You followed the school bus. What? How? It's okay. I'll get him out.
You've got to watch where you're going. I'll get you out.
Sorry guys, I was just in a big hurry. I'm on my way. Thanks again.
Now, let's finish this, guys. The school bus is going like crazy. You should see it. Yeah, it'd be cool to see.
I'll unload it back.
Pouring cement. Great job, guys. Let's go get some rest.
I think we have a problem. Our water stopped flowing.
What? How? It's time for us to solve this problem.
Team, let's get started. I'll dig a water hole.
Give it here.
I'm pouring it out. It's time for us to make a foundation. Great, I'm done.
I'll make a base for the pipes. Just a little more to go.
Great job, team! Yeah, we did a great job.
It's time to rest. Time to get to work. Everything's ripe and ready.
Let's gather the whole harvest. No grain left behind.
Let's start with tomatoes.
Tomato. The tomatoes are perfectly ripe this year.
Now the pumpkins.
Pumpkin. What's this? The house was destroyed by lightning. Need to call the team to build a new one. Hello team, I'm waiting for you all.
I think the commander called us.
We won't fail.
I'm as ready as I'll ever be.
I'll take out the garbage. Just a little bit more.
Let's start building.
I'll have to stop by the office. Oh no. Olympus fell down because of lightning. We need to call the team and get help. Hello guys, I need your help.
Huh? Hello?
Olympus came down on me. I need your help. I'll be waiting for you guys.
Copy that. Hold on a minute.
I'll clean it up. Let's fix the lamppost. It is new.
Let's pour the cement. Great job. Crane, you're up. Of course. You must have been waiting.
Whoa, you're so strong. Wow, it's like new. And the second one. Great job by the team. Keep up the good work.
I gotta rush to work. Oh! Oh no! I need help!
I hear something.
Help!
Dump truck? How did you get in here?
Whatever, get me out of here, please.
Don't worry, I need to call for help. Team, emergency. I'm waiting for everyone.
Hello? Commander?
They'll be here soon.
The commander's calling. We have to go right away. Pulling out. Whoa! Great! That's it! You are so strong!
Keep up the good work.
Thank you very much, team. Now we need to fix the hole.
My turn.